Hi there, this is Grof from RG Performance Sales Coaching and Leadership Development. Today we're talking about starting a business as a mortgage broker, and our subtopic or the main topic is winning your sales prospect. So in our last video we talked a lot about the overview of how you start your mortgage brokerage business. Today we're going to actually talk about that moment in time when you actually bump into somebody and you want to make a good impression and you want to start them in your sales process effectively so you can come out the tail end with a potential prospect or client signing some documents. If you don't do it right, what ends up happening is you lose it and somebody else gets that client, and that's just fair game. So how are you going to prevent this from going left or going right so that you end up working with a client? Well, we're going to start working on some very basics on this today, and so let's get started, shall we? Now, when you get to the place where you actually have a prospect, how do you know whether you've got that as a prospect? Well, there's a number of things. The first thing you got to understand is your prospects, for your business, there's going to be an ideal prospect. So, what's an ideal prospect? You know, an ideal prospect from the perspective of marketing is somebody that you understand quite well. It's somebody that's your average person. So if you think about your area, what's the average size of sale you're going to be working with? Will it be 100, 200, 500, a million? What size of client are you going to be working with? What demographic are they going to fit into? Are they going to have a certain kind of culture? Are they going to have a certain type of income? Will they work in certain types of industries, or will they be broad-based? Now, if you know you're starting off in the industry and you have a background in high tech, well, maybe the people you know on your prospect list are probably people that are professionals. They might have income ranging from 100 to 150 as a family income, so you got a kind of idea what they're like. That's the things you need to know about your ideal prospect. Just because they're planning a move doesn't necessarily mean they're your ideal prospect. Sometimes what happens is a new mortgage broker, you may find yourself being attracted to or having people attracted to you that have no credit, poor credit, or incapable of getting credit, which means a lot more work at a lot less pay. So for you, you have to understand ideal client is what we're looking for. You want to understand the demographics. The more you understand about their demographics, the better. But there's two parts here that most people never talk about, and I'm going to give those to you right now. So grab your pen if you don't have it already, because this is worth everything that you're going to get out of this video. This has been Grof from RG Performance Development. My goal here was today that you get an overview about how to start your business so that you're not making costly mistakes. Please check out our website because there's more free information there than you may think. And if you've got some questions, you know how to reach us. You can just contact us through the website, and that'd be awesome. Please check out the other videos. We're going to continue this session in parts 2, 3, 4, and 5 as we go forward. I'm not sure if there'll be 5, but we're going to continue this so that every time that you turn around, there'll be another video here for you to look at. It's been my pleasure. Have yourself a fantastic year.